If your gimbal doesn't go so well, it's not level or those kind of thing, you might need to calibrate it. To do that, what you want to do is to scroll down, go into the setting gear, and go down to gimbal calibration. Select that. As they asked, put it on a tripod or at least on a flat surface and just hit confirm. Your gimbal will move a little bit. We'll do some kind of stuff. This should take only a couple of seconds. And after that, everything should be good. If it's not, unfortunately, you might need to contact DJI for maintenance. So, calibration successful, hit confirm, and I hope this was helpful.